In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a subdomain in cPanel. I'm going to be using Namecheap web hosting to do this. However, you can use any web hosting that you wish. You can use your current web hosting as long as you have cPanel. It's all going to be the same. So basically, we're going to start in the cPanel dashboard, and you're going to want to scroll down to domains. And you can scroll down and see the domains heading here. And you're going to want to click on subdomains. And after you click on that, it's going to want you to create the subdomain. So you can create a subdomain on any domain that you already have registered within the cPanel. If you don't have that domain registered in cPanel, then you can go ahead and register it before this. So basically, you want to go ahead and put in the subdomain that you wish. So I'm just going to, for demonstration, I'm just going to use this, the onlineweightlosscompany.com, and I'm going to put, let's see, what can I put? I'm going to put keto. I'll put keto dot, so it'll be, my web address will be keto dot theonlineweightlosscompany.com when this is created. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the tab key on my keyboard. And you notice that document root is already filled in. So it'll automatically fill in the document root. You won't have to touch that at all. Just leave that the way it is. Also, if you have multiple domains like I do, you just have to click this arrow button down next to the domain here, and you will get a listing of all the domains. You just choose which one that you want to install it on. And then you hit create. And it may take it a minute for it to go through. Sometimes it does take a little while, so just be patient with it. Down below it says waiting on mine, so it will maybe take a minute. Okay, so keep in mind I'm using Namecheap as my web host, so this is why it's giving me this error message. It's not really an error message, it's giving me an informational message. So it will tell you success. keto.theonlineweightlosscompany.com has been created. It shows up in green, and then I get this positive SSL because Namecheap automatically installs SSL for me, and it probably won't be available for the next 30 minutes or so, within a half hour. So it's usually SSLs on there. So once you get the green success screen here, you know that it's been created. You can go in and install WordPress on that subdomain if you wish. If you don't know how to install WordPress on a subdomain, I do have a video that I have recently created. I will go ahead and link to that in the description down below, and basically just follow those steps, and in the drop down with the domain, you want to select the domain with the subdomain that we've just created, and that will install WordPress on that domain. So I hope you found this tutorial easy for you to follow. If you did, please give it a like below. If you didn't, please give it a thumbs down below. Also, I love your comments. Let me know if this was easy for you. Let me know something that was hard for you to follow, and I will update it. And I appreciate you watching this video. Please subscribe for more tutorials on WordPress, web hosting, Namecheap, and everything in between. And I'll see you in the next video.